There is a Furby movie, right? Furby.
Furby. Isn't Furby like it's like Fur Baby or something? Put together?
No, that's what people call themselves when they have too many pets. These are my fur babies. I'm a fur mama. I'm a fur.
Like a kin or something people call themselves.
Oh yeah, kin. Those are people that. It's like not a furry. It's a animal. Maybe I'm wrong.
Aren't you like a shark kin or something?
No. There's a difference between actually being a shark and just thinking that you're a shark. No offense, people that are. Wait, what is kin? We're not qualified to talk about this, by the way. We've mentioned that before, but yeah, well, I'm a real shark. What are you talking about?
I was just kidding.
Real shark. Oh, Otherkin.
Yeah.
Otherkin.
Oh.
I'm gonna stop. Bless you. Cute.
Sneezed on you.
Like a little kitten. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
You're welcome.
I'm never washing my hoodie. Sure.